Hello everyone, my name is Jojo. Welcome to my channel Joyroute-jojo. In today's video, we discuss about litigation hold in Microsoft 365. In this video, we will talk about what is litigation hold, how to enable litigation hold for one particular person and for the entire tenant, and we will see how we can disable litigation hold for the entire tenant. All that I will include in this video. And the third thing, prerequisites to enable litigation hold. So all these three aspects we will be discussing in this video. So so if you want to see only how to enable litigation hold, you can skip this introduction area and you can directly forward it and see how to enable litigation hold. As a video, I have to go in a systematic order. So I want to explain you what is litigation hold, what are the prerequisites to enable litigation hold. All right, so let's move on. Let's see what is litigation hold. Litigation hold in a mailbox is a feature used to preserve all mailbox content, including deleted items and original versions of modified items for the legal or compliance reasons. Let's take a real life example. In your organization, any of your colleague has committed a crime in the sense sending some legal information, sending some confidential details to your competitive company. It is a kind of cheating as conducted by that particular person. So obviously what he tries to do, he will try to delete all the mails, whatever he has shared related to that, and he will try to safeguard himself. So in that situation, if the litigation hold is enabled in your tenant, what happened, even if he has deleted those mails, it will be there in something called recoverable items folder, and it is a hidden folder. User will not be able to see this recover item folder. This is part of Microsoft 365 and on-premise Exchange server. So it goes to that recoverable item folder and it saves there. So if the litigation hold is enabled for 7 years or for 8 years or 10 years, so that but deleted mail will be available in the recoverable item folder for another 8 years or 10 years. If it is a litigation hold is enabled for indefinite, then it will be there available unless this litigation hold is disabled. So this is the purpose of litigation hold, and this is what meant by litigation hold. It's a feature used to preserve all mailbox content, including deleted items and original versions of modified items for legal or compliance reasons. I hope I am clear now what is litigation hold. Prerequisites to enable litigation hold. Enable litigation hold on a Microsoft 365 mailbox, you need to ensure the following prerequisites are met. First thing, licensing. You should have Exchange Online and 2 license to enable litigation hold. If the mailbox has Exchange Online Plan 1 license, you need to assign separate Exchange Online Archive license to enable litigation hold. A Microsoft 365 E3 license and E5 license has already Exchange Online Plan 2. If you are not sure what license you have, you can go check it from the, as an administrator, you can check it from the portal. If you select a user and select his licensing, if you down you could see apps. If you expand that apps, it will give the detailed information about your licenses. Second one, permission. You required as an administrator, you required permission to set it litigation hold. You should be member of discovery management role and mailbox import export role. These roles should be assigned to enable litigation hold. So now we are going to check how to enable litigation hold for one particular person first. Then we will see how to enable litigation hold for the entire tenant. So first thing first, we are going to learn how to enable litigation hold for one particular person first. So presently we are in the Exchange Admin Center. As you can see here, Exchange Admin Center. So to enable litigation hold for one particular user, you can do it graphically from the portal. You can do that. So for that, what you have to do, you have to select the particular mailbox. For example, if you want to do it for Abir, I'm selecting that particular user here, and from here you have to select others, and here you could see manage litigation hold. Select manage litigation hold. We can turn it on, and if you want to specify the duration for 1 year, you can mention it as 365 days, or accordingly, if it is 7 years, you can keep it 2555, which is 7 years. So you can save it. So for this particular user, what I do, I have enabled the litigation hold for 7 years. Let me save this. So this is the way how you can enable litigation hold for one particular person. Now you want to enable it for the entire tenant. For that, it is better to do through the PowerShell script. I have the script here. I shall share the PowerShell command in the description of this video, so you can utilize this. It is already tested one. If you want, you can test it and do it in the production environment. And whatever is mentioned, 2555, it is for the duration, which is almost 7 years. This is in days. So if you want 2 years, then you it accordingly, 365 into 2, and accordingly you can mention the days here. So whatever I'm doing for 7 years. So 2555 means 7 years. This is the command to enable it, and this is the command to disable litigation hold for the entire tenant. So let us see how we can do that. For that, just go to PowerShell, run as administrator, click yes. Now we have to connect Exchange Online. For that, connect hyphen exchange. Let me type connect Exchange Online. So it asks for the global admin privileges. Another window will come to enter the admin privileges. In this video, I will skip that area for a security purpose. Now what you have to do, this is the command to enable litigation hold for the entire tenant. What I do, I just copy and paste it here, click enter. So the hold settings maybe take up to 240 minutes to take effect. Let's check now itself whether is it got updated or not. So Abir already we have checked it. Now we'll go to the other Abir Shirasi. So let me select this user. Let me go to others and manage litigation hold. It is on now for 255 days. So 2,555 days it is. Which means for 7 years it is got enabled. We'll check for the other user. Litigation hold. Yeah, it got enabled. So when you have enabled through the tenant, it got affected to all users. Now let's do it for, we will disable it for the entire tenant. This time you do not have to mention any duration or something. You have to just mention this command. Enter. Yeah. Now we have disabled the litigation hold for the entire tenant for all users in one shot. Let's verify it whether it got affected or not. Let's start with Abir. Abir, manage litigation hold. Yes, it is off now. Let's check with Abir Shirazi. Go to this, manage litigation hold. It is off. So it is working fine. Alright, so in this particular video, we have learned what is litigation hold, how to enable litigation hold for one particular person and for the entire tenant, and how to disable litigation hold for the entire tenant. And we have discussed the prerequisites to enable litigation hold. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I request you to please subscribe if you like it. I will be sharing the commands, whatever is required in the description. And if you have any suggestions or questions related to this, please mark it in the comment section. I can help you that. If you want some more commands or more something related to this, or you want some video to be, I have to do some video on some particular topic, please mention it in the box so that I can prepare it and prepare another video for on that particular topic. So that's it. Thank you. Goodbye.